Hi everybody. Today's our topic is probability. So probability. So probability. Actually it is a chance. Suppose we are tossing a kite. So chance to get head or chance to get tail. Suppose we are rolling a dice. So there is some chances to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So it is calculation of chances. So what we are going to get, that we are calculating before. That is the probability. Suppose it asked a coin, either we maybe get head or tails. So how many chances are there? Totally we have 2 chances. Out of these 2 chances we can get either head or tails. So we'll get any one of these 2. Any one. That is, to get head we have 1 chance. So there is 1 chance to get head out of 2 chances. Same, total we have 2 chances. There is a chance to get tail is only 1 chance. Okay, this is 1 by 2 is chance to get head, and 1 by 2 we have chance to get tail. This 1 by 2 is called probability of getting head. So this is, we write P of H, and it is P of T. Probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Okay. How we are writing? This is 2. 2 is total chances, and 1 is our favorable. So what we are taking, what we are going to calculate, that is favorable out. So total we have 2 outcomes. In that we are getting favorable as H as 1 chance. So here also there is total 2 chances. In that our favorable chance is only 1. So this is the formula for probability. That is favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes to H by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Okay. So this is the probability. Probability of collection of chances. So the formula for probability is favorable outcomes to get what we are going to calculate. Favorable outcomes to H by total number of outcomes. So whatever, if you have E, then probability of E is favorable outcomes to get E by total number of outcomes. This is the probability. So suppose if we roll a die, there is chances to get 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how many chances to get? We have 6 chances. So that is total outcomes are 6. To get 1, there is 1 chance. So 1 by 6. That is probability of 1 is favorable outcomes is 1, and total outcomes are 6. 1 by 6. Suppose probability of getting 2, P of 2 equal to, there is only 1 chance. So each outcome there is only 1 chance. So 1 by total outcomes, again same, 6. Suppose probability of getting less than 3. Less than 3 means if we get 1, it is also favorable, and 2, it is also favorable. So favorable outcomes we have 1, 2. So totally we have 1, 2. 2 by total outcomes, same again, 6. 2 by 6. Suppose probability of odd numbers. odd number. Equal to. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. So we have 1, 3, 5. These are the favorable outcomes. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 by total 6. So 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is 1 by 2. So favorable outcomes are 3 and total outcomes are 6. So probability of odd numbers is 3 by 6, that equal to 1 by 2. This is the calculation of probability. Here we have some terms in that. P of head equal to, we got 1 by 2, and probability of T we got 1 by 2. Here probability of getting head is 1 by 2, probability of getting tails is 1 by 2. I did a experiment, that is I tossed a coin 25 times. In that experiment I got tails 12 times and head 13 times. So we can do this all, do the same. You may not get same result, so maybe you will get this is 11 and 14 or 13 and 12, whatever you will get. Okay, so అందరికి సేమ్ రావాలని ఏం లేదు, you can get different. So here probability of tails is probability of tails. So what is the formula? Favorable outcomes of tails by total number of outcomes. So that is 12 by 25. By simplifying we get 0.48, and probability of getting head. So that is favorable outcomes 13, total number of outcomes 25. So we'll get 0.52. Okay. So this is probability of tails is 0.48 and probability of head is 0.52. These two are equal likely. Not exactly equal, but equal likely. So if you toss the same coin 50 times, in that situation, so we'll get equal like probability. Then that is called tossing a coin is equal likely experiment. So this is we did by experiment. So this is called experimental probability. Okay, so these two numbers also I did I tossed 50 times, I got head some 23 times and tail not 23, got 27 times, and this is 23 times. So in this case also we can get probability of head is 27 by 50 and probability of tails is 23 by 50. So in both cases we will get 0.54 and 0.46. So these two results also equal likely. Therefore tossing a coin is equal likely experiment. These results I got by experiments. Okay, some scientists also did these experiments. So to get more videos as notifications, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay, so ఇంతవరకు మనం ఏం చేసాము, ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఛాన్స్ ప్రాబబిలిటీగా మనం అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో అది చేయడానికి మనం ఏం చేసాము, టాసింగ్, థ్రోయింగ్, టాసింగ్ ఏ కాయిన్, థ్రోయింగ్ ఏ, రోలింగ్ ఏ డై, అవి చేసాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ర్యాండమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. ఓకే, ర్యాండమ్ ఆఫ్, అవి చేయడానికి మనం ర్యాండమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ చేసాం. సో బిఫోర్ వీ డిడ్ So tossed a coin 25 times, got probability of tails and probability of head we got, so equal likely. So in experiment of 50 also we got equal likely of head and tail. So this is called, so by generalization finally we decided this tossing a coin is equal likely. These experiments already did by some scientists. They are also finally generalized that the tossing a coin is an equal likely experiment. So this is called theoretical probability. Okay, theoretical probability. Okay, classical probability. This is also called classical probability. Okay, so next, tossing a coin of 25 times, we got probability of, suppose probability of tails equal to some 13 times, so that is 13 by 25 is the probability, and probability of head is 12 by 25. Suppose I am adding these two, so probability of tail plus probability of head equal to 13 by 25 plus 12 by 25. Okay, so 25 is the LCM, 13 plus 12. Finally we got 25 by 25, 25 ones are 25 ones are, that is 1. So probability of T plus probability of head H is 1. So sum of these two probabilities is 1. Then we say that probability of T is probability of tails is complementary to probability of head, and probability of head is complementary to probability of tails. That means if the sum of two probabilities is 1, then they are complementary probabilities. Okay, they are complementary probability. Complementary. Okay, so this also you can write P of T equal to 1 minus probability of H, or you can write probability of H equal to 1 minus probability of T. Okay, so here this is the complementary of this, and this is the complementary of this. Okay, so here complementary of H you can write as complementary of H you can write as this one, we can write as 1 minus H bar. Okay, complementary of T we can write as probability of H bar, like this. Probability of E equal to 1 minus P of E bar. So E bar is the complementary of E. Okay, E is the complementary of E bar. This is the complementary. Okay, so this is the complementary of probability. I rolled a die. What is said? Probability of 7. Probability of 7. Is there chance to get 7 on the face of a die? There is no chance. So that is, there is 0 chances. 0 by total 6. So that equal to 0. If the probability of an event is 0, then that is called impossible. Impossible. Okay. Suppose I am rolling a die. So I am going to calculate probability of getting less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. So how many chances I have? So our total outcomes are, we know total outcomes are 6. total 6, and favorable outcomes are favorable outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes? Less than or equal to 6 means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total we have 6. So favorable outcomes 6, total 6, that equal to 1. This type of probability is called certain. In an event, probability of an outcome is 1. The probability is 1. That probability is called certain probability. Okay. One important question in probability. So that is 2 dice, one blue and one red are thrown at same time. Write down all possible outcomes and complete the following table. So here we have 2 dice, blue and red balls. Suppose it is blue and it is red. If you thrown 2 dice, you will get 2 outcomes at a time. So on one dice you will get 1 outcome, another die on blue, suppose if you will get 1, on red we may get 1 or 2, or on blue ball we may get 2, it may be 3. Suppose it is 1, it may be 3. 4. 1, 5, 1, 6. We have this type of results. Suppose red is blue is 2, the red may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 and 6. Suppose it is 3, it may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Suppose it is 4, it may be 1, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Into 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So it may be 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 or 6 comma 6. These, so it is on red and it is maybe blue. Okay. These many types of results are there. Inni types ga edaina result raavachchu. If you throw 2 dice at a time, you will get any one of these. Either it may be 1 comma 1, that means on red it may be 1, on blue it may be 1. That means in 2 dice it may be 1 comma 1. Suppose 4 comma 3. On red it may be 4, on blue it may be 3. So like this we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 6, that is 36 total outcomes are there. Okay. So total outcomes equal to 36. Okay. Write all possible outcomes. These are the all possible outcomes. We have 36 possible outcomes. Okay. So దీంట్లో ఏదైనా మనకు ఒకసారి 2 డైస్ వేస్తే దీంట్లో ఏదైనా మనకు అవుట్కమ్ వచ్చే అవకాశము ఉంటుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద టోటల్ అవుట్కమ్స్. పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ ఆర్ 36. సో అవర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ sum of 2 dice. That means sum of 2 dice is 1 plus 1 2. It is 1 plus 2 3. It is 2 plus 2 4. It is 3 plus 3. It is 4 plus 2 6. It is 4 plus 3 7. Like this. So the sum of 2 dice is 2. So it is only possible here. This is the 1 plus 1 2. We have favorable outcomes only 1. So probability of getting 2, that means sum of 2 dice is 2, is only 1 comma 1, that equal to favorable outcomes to sum equal to 2. Total number of outcomes. So that equal to 1 by 36. Favorable outcomes 1, total 36. So that is probability of getting 2 is 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Next to second one. This is first one. Second one. Sum of 2 dice is 3. By taking these two, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 2 3. How many favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes equal to we have 2, 1 and it is another one. Totally we have 2. So probability of getting sum equal to 3. Favorable outcomes 2 and total outcomes is 36. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, that is 1 by 18. This is 1 by 18. Next one is third one. The sum equal to 4. The sum equal to 4. 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 3 4. In we have 3 possible outcomes. So favorable outcomes, number of favorable. Okay. Number of, write always number of. Okay, here also number of favorable outcomes equal to, how many we have? 1 2 3. So 3. So probability of sum equal to 4 equal to 3 by total 36. 3 ones are 3 2s are, that equal 1 by 12. This is 1 by 12. Next to sum equal to 5. Fourth one, number of favorable outcomes equal to number of favorable outcomes. Sum should be equal to 5. 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus. How many? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That is 4 by, so how many? 4. So that equal to P of 5 equal to 4 by 36. 4 ones are 4 9s are, that equal 1 by 9. This is 1 by 9. Like this. I will do directly. So that is fifth one. Probability of getting sum equal to 6. So favorable outcomes. So I will do directly. These are the sum equal to 6. So 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3. This. Okay. So 3 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 1 plus 5. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 by 36. So this is 5 by 36. Next one is sum equal to 7. We have, these are the sum equal to 7. Sorry, sum equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that equals 6 by 36. 6 1s are 6 6 are 36. That equal to 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. Seventh one is sum equal to 8. What we have? 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 by 36. So 5 by 36. And eighth one, probability of 9. I am doing directly. You don't do like this. You have to do same like this. Okay. So అన్ని కూడా మీతో కూడా ఇలా చేయండి. Favorable outcomes రాయండి. And formula ఒకసారి రాశారు. No need to write again and again. So you have to do like this. Okay. So probability of sum equal to 9. This is the sample space. So 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 3 plus 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 36. So 4 ones are 4 nines are, that is 1 by 9. This is 1 by 9. Ninth one. Probability of getting 10. We have sample space as this. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 36. So 3 ones are 3 12s are, that equal to 1 by 12. So this is 1 by 12. Okay. Next 11. How many have? 6 plus 5 11. 5 plus 6 11. We have 2. That is 2 by 36. That is probability of 11. 2 by 36. 2 ones are 2 18s are 36. 1 by 18. We have 1 by 18. Next to 12. 6 plus 6 12. Only we have only one outcome. That is 1 by 36. Okay. So this is most important in base formula. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So it is the most important. So listen once again. There are two dice. One is blue and another one is red. These two dice thrown in same time. So you have to calculate sum of two dice. So first of all, you have to write all possible outcomes. So these are the all possible outcomes. You will get 1 comma 1. That means on blue it may be 1, on red it may be 1, or it may be 1 or 2, it may be 1 or 3. Like this you will get 36 outcomes. Okay. So these are the all possible outcomes, and complete the following table. What is the table? Sum of two dice is 2, sum of two dice is 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to write up to 12. That means the sum of two dice, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 3. So these are the two outcomes, favorable outcomes. Okay. So now calculating these are. So probability, sum of two outcomes is 2, that is 1 by 36. We have only 1. So favorable outcomes 1. So favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes 1 by 36. Next to sum of outcomes is 3. In this only these two are the favorable outcomes. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 2 is also 3. So sample space is 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 only. So favorable outcomes we have only 2. So total outcomes 36, 1 by 2 by 36, that is 1 by 18. So sum is 4. 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 3 4. That means we have in sample space we have only these 3. So favorable outcomes 3. So that is total outcomes already known, that is 36. that is 3 by 36. By calculation we will get 12. Like this we can do all the we can fill total table by using this. So this is the most important. Thank you. So to get more videos as notifications, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.